I will be showcasing my keyboard swiping app. This is an application that I have done as my final project for my data structures and algorithms class at the University of Florida. Um, Here I have already CD'd into my directory, which is available publicly on GitHub. I use Bazel to build my files. In this case, I've already built them, so I will just go on to the application itself. As you can see, it has some startup delay, but after that, it should be ready to go with not any really type of waiting. So as I just demonstrated, there's three main methods to type. One is being in the text box and typing normally as one would with a keyboard. So I can type words and they'll show up just like normal. This is, as of the moment, the only way to include additional characters such as punctuation, and also gives you much more control over case. So that's something that has not been implemented. Additionally, there's two ways of typing with the actual virtual keyboard, which is displayed here. One is just typing over the letters. So here I can do QWERTY. I can type key. Just have to make sure I actually hit on my tablet. If it's too light, it doesn't detect the right color, for example. This works as one would expect normally. And the last way, which is the main star of the application, which you saw very briefly earlier, is swiping. So to swipe, you just have to make sure it is considered a complete path before you release off your mouse or stylus. Otherwise, it will think it's two different words that you tried to swipe. So let's write keyboard. So I can just swipe along the word that I'm trying to basically write, and we will see four different suggestions of the words that it thinks that were swiped. In this case, keyboard here is the second one, but there's also killed, Kennard, and KFreeBSD. So I can just type on the word that I want and it'll write it. It doesn't go away at this point, so if there's another word on here that you also want to include, you can go ahead and type that as well. There's two additional buttons here which are more of ease of use. This one clears the entire text box contents, and the other one copies them, which I'm gonna have to write something to show that off. So right now, if I press Ctrl V, you'll see that there's nothing on my clipboard. But if I write something like ready or not, I can copy, and if I clear, I can go ahead and use Ctrl V to paste that as much as I want. Since it is copied to your operating system's clipboard, you can also paste this on other any other program that might be open. If I open another terminal, I can go ahead and paste this, I believe. There we go. And yeah, that's my keyboard swiping application. Thank you very much.